Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have error with your iPhone 7, so if your iPhone can't load anything, so how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just try to swipe up and just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to turn off Wi-Fi and just turn it on if you also use Wi-Fi. And if you use mobile data, cellular data, you need to just turn it on, off and turn it on again. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to open the settings. And in the settings, you need to find here general, and in the general you need to find reset and just tap on reset network settings. So just try this way, and if it doesn't help you too, you can also try the latest way. So just made forced restart on your phone, so just keep holding low volume and power button at the same time until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release two fingers from these two buttons. It means that you successfully made it. So now just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using it. So just try. I hope that one of these methods will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.